Okay, Salwa, today we'll look at be going to. Yeah. So
Okay.
be verb, which is am, is, or are, with going to. It is very similar to will. So you can say, I will see you later, or I am going to see you later. So this I am going to, let me just make it red. Yeah. This bit is similar to this will. Similar meaning, not exact, but very similar. Yeah. Don't worry about the subtle details right now because you are at the primary stage. So let's go. We'll practice this.
I will see.
I'm gonna say the first sentence and you will repeat the second one.
Okay.
Okay. I will see you later.
I am going to see you later.
You will learn English.
You are going to learn English.
He will come tonight.
He is going to come tonight.
Very good. She will get home soon.
She is going to get home soon.
Very good. They will understand it.
They are going to understand it.
Okay. Now I'm gonna say the second one and you will say the first one.
Okay.
Okay.
I will see you later.
Now I'm gonna say the second one and then you will repeat the first one. Okay. So let's go.
Okay.
I'm going to see you later.
I will see you later.
You are going to learn English.
You will learn English.
He is going to come tonight.
He will come tonight.
Very good. She's going to get home soon.
She will get home soon.
Very good. They are going to understand it.
They will understand it.
Very good. Now I'm gonna give you some sentences. Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't write them here, so I'll just say it and you will rephrase with be going to. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I will call you.
Um,
I will call you. Say I am going to.
I am going to call you.
She will call you.
She will going to call you.
She is.
She is going to call you.
Very good. They will see you.
They are going to see you.
Very good. We will go there. We will go there.
We will going there.
We are going to go there.
We are going to we are going to
Go there.
go there.
Again, we will go there.
We are going to we are going there.
So we are going to and then go. The main verb comes after these two. So we are going to go there. Again.
We are going to go there.
Again.
We are going to go there.
I will repeat it.
I I I am going to repeat it.
Very good. I will explain it.
I am going to explain it.
Explain it.
Explain it.
I will buy it.
I am going to buy it.
I will go to bed.
I am going to bed.
I am going to go to bed.
I am going to go to bed.
I will wake up early.
I am going to wake up early.
He will wake up early.
He is going to wake up early.
Very good. He will arrive soon.
He is going to arrive soon.
Very good. She will leave now.
She is going to leave now.
Very good. She will explain it now.
She will going to explain it now.
She is going to.
She is going to Spain it now.
So you have to remember it's not will, it's be. Be is, am is, are. So
Okay.
I am going to, you are going to, he is going to, she is going to, they are going to, we are going to.
Okay.
So we put the main verb after this to. Okay, just like we put the main verb after this will. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Say, I will understand it.
I will understand it.
No, okay. Rephrase with going to. I will understand it.
I am going to understand it.
Very good. I will drink some tea.
I am going to drink some tea.
He will relax.
He are going to relax.
He is.
He is going to relax.
Very good. She will have a shower.
She is going to have a shower.
Okay. They will pay for it.
They are going to pay for it.
Very good. We will play.
We are going to play.
Play. Very good. So this is how you use it. Be going to, and it's very similar to will. Do you understand it?
Yes,
Very good. So this is
I
a
understand
very
it.
important lesson. Practice it properly. With this, we will finish. Thank you.
Okay.